Hey, middle school leadership. Just wanted to have a quick conversation about tomorrow on our BLT agenda. You probably saw it. And so, just some things to think about. We're going to talk a little bit about October 15th, October 19th, and solidify what that day needs to look like. It's a full work day. And usually it's a full day of training. And so, we're not going to do quite a full day of training, but I have some ideas of what we can do, both to give you some time in your classrooms, but also to give you some time working on some things that I think are going to help push us forward on some things we need to do. We're going to talk a little bit about Wednesdays and about what that's going to look like, and maybe an update on where we are with the plans. I'm not sure what all has been shared or we are ready to move forward with, but there are some plans maybe to help relieve some stress and some things. November 6th is our end of the quarter, and I need to talk a little bit about that. If you have things that you think we need to learn about, one of the things I'm thinking we need to spend some time on is the crisis model and that red handbook, and that's not November 6th isn't a full day of training by any means, but it might be a little bit of conversation around that. I'm a little concerned about where we are with planning for crisis, the language that we're using, and those types of things. And so, but I'm really open to other ideas. I just don't know when we'll learn about that, and that can be later. Lastly, we need to talk about e-learning requirements. We aren't going to have snow days as we traditionally have, like where we, get the message on our phone and we go back to bed and say yay. It's going to look different. And so we're going to talk through what some requirements might be and how we manage through that. And a e-learning day might be different than a distance learning day and all those things. So wanted to just give you a little heads up. If there's other things to add, let me know. And I will see you in Christensen's room tomorrow morning between the art rooms at 7:30. You all have coverage, which is attached to this email, and we have until about 8:15 to stay if we need to stay that long. All right, have a great night. See you tomorrow.